Hi, the Captain Peak Garden. We are here in the Captain Peak Garden. It's very beautiful here and very fresh. It's very fresh and like we have in the mountain. Wait a minute because I have a take a video because I have a vlog. Marga lang. Marga. Hello everybody. It's very nice to hear. I'm here also. It's so plenty of air. Yes, there are a lot of fresh air. That's why.
Oh, but my head so
Yes, but
hurt.
but it's not easily.
It's not easy to
But pretty. This is my vlog.
So vlogs ka pa dyan.
Okay, I'm gonna take a picture.
Indog ati ami kay mas
I'm
gana
gonna
tanaw
take a
tong indog.
picture.
Oh.
One, two, three, go.
Pasuway sa wag ko labad din kana ko.
Kung maguwan ko, magluon nga uban ko kayo. Dali.